Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimuakotenepa, Omuomre, the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
Atrema, Cassato and Fashema, Erade Casso Namane.
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimuakotenepa, Omuomre, the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de BH. Atrema, Cassato and Fashema, Erade Casso Namane. Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimuakotenepa, Omuomre, the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa toto emfa hwema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for wa broche ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo Wisemart Solicitors se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Good evening and welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Today is Wednesday, and as usual, when it is 7 p.m. UK time, then you know it's time for Legal Matters. I am Emransem and Kratasem Nieko Chi Ko Breman UK Bruchri. I intimisro Memoakwaba. I send you free legal hour. Free legal hour enti any legal question be a we here se how one krata sem ho unipa being krata sem ho visa sem divorce child arrangement orders be very far and krata sem and them ransom there say Wisemart for omo edimu akukudam I omo benumpa enti within this 1 hour question be a fam ransom we betimi afre no bisa. The line is available, is open from the start because if you are or China last minute or friend or na yapon last week we did a question by an lawyer whilst sorry Komono Kosono ubitimi afre and now ubitimi a type of question or Facebook's comment section or na lawyer ha making kayamano na ono so you ano. We are live on Facebook and YouTube, and also you can listen to us on our website, toponlinestation.com, GhanaWeb.com, modernghana.com, MyTuner radio app, and all the third-party radio websites. With me at a mobile app, and also with me download on our website, toponlinestation.com, and now with me download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Our phone so that every time the program comes, you can just listen to us. Sometimes maybe our Juma won't mean Facebook our Juma, but with me the show assume so mobile app no so na or senior sister bia or Forest Gate. I want the app no as no tea because it's time ya no word Juma. Intia da man connect app no pe no aframe me was massa. Urefi na And also a free app I'll bet me download the Play Store, App Store, or toponlinestation.com. I think I'm find chairman say my voice I hear you crack weather no. I think say you crack the school could cry as inti. It be above my voice in but yo ha. Right, my main fa lawyer Francis Posum Pememra na yen share and na say. Welcome to Legal Matters. Lawyer Francis Pacho Pumti saying. Wisemart, how to saying?
Thank you very much, DJ KB. Nyamiada Roma, Wisemart Asoye, Bibia Dane Kwanso, Enchiake free Wisemart Asoye, Ma wo anywhere tea for any ashe for or any of the top online radio platform in so.
Yo, T4 Ejo, so yes, Ejo, so high, so more. Ya bano ni aba, enkrata sem, embran sem, enti ni aba. Enti lawyer, yan share, senior debia, ye shas, ye de shas, you know. So if there is any legal update, and update biaba UK immigration sector ho a opese one edicha famayen, may I say.
Yo, Midasi, Ebiom DJ KB. Misachia, we're here for near for say legal issues, every Wednesday or top online, do so. The update and something from a yes immigration per se, but UK Imra send a new mercy called drink driving assessment via Omaye. Almost say nearly 100,000 drug tests carried out to tackle root causes of drug-driven crime. Inti omo person omo hu die inti amanfo committee that thing no and my year assessment or tackle no but you better try and find these new recommendations no way things now more they want to show say I didn't think drink driving and as a drug abuse, man for the kaka, creative, a whole lot of things. Indeed, that's what they are looking at. Say what causes that and how they can tackle it. Into Ushema, see the expansion of testing on arrest by police force across England and Wales has seen nearly 100,000 drug tests on suspects whose behavior was believed to have been driven by their drug abuse since March 2022. Me send a word of caution. You can drug abuse. You dream back with cocaine in a safe for there be over paracetamol every day via drug abuse.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until now, you are now for paracetamol. What I catch me?
Yeah, anyway. You are abusing the drug.
Indeed, this because a man affected the body, no. And no thing omo person omo tackle that thing, no. When you are in a confedra, debe ne yo the work catch me.
Yeah, of course. You bear the side effect of that drug, no.
Indeed, that tells you the drug abuser, the system, maybe what pressure will you know. Or the Beku Kwanhusa. For our own good, they want us to be on alert. Say drugs taking, you're very, very careful. Yo, I know anti encoda. The other time we bought way so but and then see a bit details. Your friend of online immigration status, which is the Yi-Visa or more introduction.
Yeah.
I think it's a week or two, may brush kakra.
Yeah.
And then per se, summarizing here, share now, quite to me. Yeah. I don't know what could have biometric resident permit and I said biometric resident card, here, so Yamamo up to 31st of December 2024. And now, sir, before 31st of December 2024, who could renew your best idea amount 31st of December 2024. Now, a do baby a own tears here, Obebusa say, Aden. And a biom so more Mukuta passport, and also with indefinite leave to remain. And I say indefinite leave to enter. Wet ink stamp na esimu no anaasɛ broni bɛsɛ yɛ friend of viet sticker na ɛbɔ passport mu no ɛno ɛyɛ adeɛ a changes a ɛba they want you guys or mo a mkuta saa nneɛma wɔ mu no sɛ mobɛyɛ yi visa ne bi nti obi bɛbusa sɛ what is yi visa na ɔmode ɛba no visa is online record of your immigration status and the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. You will need to create a UKVI account to be able to access your visa.
Okay.
And what they are trying to say is in order not to say over Tinahona after 31st of December and as the ending of 2024, no, now what they call who the would given our say we. The more can is Ube create an account with Home Office under UKVI account. Send a beya Ube accesses our visa no. Account muna be creating no, it's ka unyoma bebre a we say we create that account mostly o passport no say o passport no ebewu a anase ewu a o create na ewu a o renew a we say we make sure say we update the system.
Okay.
Until at that point in time no say after 31st of December 2024 which is the 1st January 2025 no the only thing I'll be any ID or your passport. You don't need to hold on with your biometric resident permit and our card, you know.
Okay. Okay.
At that point in time, you know, so we do UK border force or mobile jail passport, you know. Normally they are checking say matching with information ye visa now what created that account, you know.
Okay.
Because bear in mind the visa no when you create a be show wo immigration status how the be kroma that be expire and a passport and a link it up with.
Okay.
Into the passport and the bit to me I'm going to check visa now be all the information immigration status are what kroma.
Wow.
Yeah, share the benefit of the visa no. Or say the benefits of the visa includes they are secured and cannot be lost, stolen, or tampered with, unlike a physical document. I.e., wo biometric no obi betimi atemper with. Ovi yet no obi betimi atemper with. But when it comes to the visa na obi no betimi atemper. And I'll say another benefit is that you will not need to wait for or collect a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, and we will tell you if you need to do this. That's from the Home Office. I'll say it will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border and share your status with the third parties like employers and landlords. That is where the share code comes in here. Into ye visa no, it doesn't say or say we show physical documentation.
Right. So I said last week maybe say we na me say bim. Enti
Yo.
Yeah, obia okuta number one, British passport. only the, I mean, we didn't find a home.
One count.
One count. Okay.
Yes.
I into the no one say time why they now they can now they ba.
Now call baby. Yes.
Into ye or more. Senior can Viet a bo.
Yeah, we live near limited.
Limited leave.
Nanka was here dear card so I was saying car yeah the ball passport mono. More if we be physical documentation, more and more what our physical documentation no.
Okay.
More NSM will create that ye visa account no.
Right.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
lawyer.
And I bear in mind, you phone come.
Right.
What's that maybe a cast no?
Yeah. The EU for no okuta Viet cry on kahon.
There be Oka Okuta Vieta, what do you want to say?
Sir,
Because
the passport no endorsement room and omudia don't
you for no more endorsement in more or more passport.
Oh, okay.
You for your pre-settle settlement settle status a paper decision.
Oh, okay.
They don't give them a card unless we a family member or dependent of a EU.
To your beer up in your mom be.
Yeah, my EU for me.
Wow.
But they might have their national ID from the country of their origin.
Oh, okay. Yo,
No. UK for SM right in such a way they have to use their passport if they want to be here.
Oh, okay.
So that the passport will be linked up everywhere, wherever they are.
Right.
Yeah.
Your lawyer, you more than opa, yen twaso. I tell for answer lawyer twaso no say, who question be please call the number at the top of your screen. 0208-133-5876. 0208-133-5876. And type your question our Facebook session ho. Na comment section ho na mekan na lawyer eji ano amount. A free legal hour. You say 20 minutes abesin call enti. One question. Please don't wait till the end. And now I'm sure so showing your Facebook so no said the live Facebook there's a little delay on the Facebook and YouTube streaming no. And this is a watching to the last minute. Maybe our own friend upon because it's happening to a lot of people. Or say now me December lawyer. No lawyer so called that. And Tim Srawo question be ask it now. Yo lawyer me that say yento aso.
Yo, I think say me bobo documents I put I say we yes yi visa no be. Yeah, in case how it is being done. Sir, how do I get an e-visa and a UKVI account? If you have a biometric resident permit, I'll say if you have a biometric resident permit, that's the BRPR, that expires on 31st December 2024. We will tell you how to create a UKVI account and access your e-visa before the expiry date of your BRP. Inti se card ni bewu Home Office obviously on the ball no more the letter no no my instructions to how to create UKVI account on that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have a situation obikuta her okuta indefinite physical. If you have an indefinite leave to enter or indefinite leave to remain, also known as settlement, also your current proof, you currently prove your right through a different type of physical document, such as wet ink stamp on your passport or VS sticker, then you should make a no time limit application. Oshe Nancy Amayabia Mobi. Yeah, the Viet no about the passport mu. Because one need biometric resident permit procedure ne say the kind yet no time limit application NTL.
Okay.
NTL ne say will transform will settlement in a ball passport mu no. akɔ card so nti ɛkɔ card ni so a na wa use card no e dey create this kind of ye visa na omo kan nti that's the process they want you to go through. But San America no aba enye bibia na sebe ubehu o consult a lawyer or guide you or do go through so that you get used to what is, because mostly my clients be are not more passport more. We try to my year I'm not converted to that level say omukuta card no. Inti said the moment they be send you almost said they should create a visa account no. Okay. Now you use biometric no. They are creative for that.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's what the visa is all about. But Shema, see, if you need to make a new application, for permission to stay in the UK, you should follow the usual application process. Until after 1st January 2025, no, now ubi bia ako visa account na. Say bia card bewu ebia March 2025 enya afe na asaba be yi ni bi. Udi adi say your further leave to remain yes such an application.
Okay.
Inti further leave to remain no. This is in Nebeba, the letter Nebebro, but Home Office will update your visa account through the UKVI to say yasama another 30 months for renewal.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so you don't need to come and start all over again by creating a UKVI account or that and do that. Almost no be updated almost system no.
Oh.
Tina visa account, that's all I can say for now. Unless there will be questions or they ebeba. And yes, we can go to our topic of the day. But my end checking the last update, me per se yes. Ushema eneye da be eneye third.
Yeah.
Tembia me person me put to me host on the spot. Echina change is very never.
Hey, lawyer. Wait there. You host why busy or hapa.
Okay,
I take you some questions vintage. Fachayen. In himself in Ethiopia and Kratasem be going to take effect.
Yes.
Echna
on the 4th of April 2024. Dear neighbor, I say the minimum salary threshold for a skilled worker visa will rise from 26,200 to 38,700 per annum. In Tinyamia, don't know the China Chenya, which is 4th of April 2024 now.
Right.
Any employer bia or employ skilled worker visa. Why employ bia okuta healthcare and a care worker nina sefo no. A free China ko say utua nika 26,200 Imran say a free China ko no manu 38,700 per annum.
Wow. 26 to 38.
Yo. Yes. And a so no, there's a name 6th of April 2024. Because April year we have about 3 changes ever. On the 4th, on the 6th, and on the 11th. Wow. On the 6th of April 2024, the requirement to renew sponsor licenses will be removed. To your employer, who sponsor licenses, one renew krana from 6th of April, unya problem. Okay. And so on the 11th of April 2024, dear neighbor, I see the minimum income requirement for partners applying under Appendix FM will be increased from 18,600 to 29,000 100,000. No, your bomb the rules are on the 11th, it take effect. In the ancient so April, the month of April, there were 4th April changes are ever. There were 6th April changes are ever. There were 11th April changes are ever.
Yeah, Samu. Anyway, they know why.
Ampa,
Different dates.
But don't worry. Yeah, we're home,
yeah, Wisemart for the right.
Yeah, the betuja.
Yo.
Yeah, the betuja.
Yo, me da say lawyer, I update I take half of the time. Enti we shall for na topic, our main topic, ye so. Na emra yeah. We say explaining TB test requirement for UK visa applicants. TB test requirement for UK visa applicants. Lawyer, we there for you more TB test. Here, are compulsory?
Yo,
are there any exemptions?
Yo, I am TB test. At times, you put a nigu near vibration, but bear in mind, say one of the requirements are. Oh yeah, application so be free overseas bar an application no and I said the visa no be more than 6 months. I will say yeah TB test, which is by immigration rules, because immigration rules I specify TB test, what there was umiti in order for them say by UK about they stay for more than 6 months, because enunkwano mapeja enunkwano anomaye ne emra your friend no immigration rules appendix tuberculosis, which is TB. I'll say this appendix sets out when a person is required to provide a valid TB certificate with their application for entry clearance and the requirements for a TB certificate to be valid. Into that tells you, I say, we have TB1, which is the appendix now, paragraph. I say a person must provide a valid TB certificate with their application. If paragraph TB2 applies, Mekai Hono, or say, and they are applying for entry clearance to come to the UK for more than 6 months. For more than 6 months, except who beside exemption, except for applications made under appendix Ukraine scheme.
Okay, so my answer from that question, you say this is if it's 6 months, is it over 6 months? Then
more than
6 months, then the TB is compulsory. So if it is less than 6 months,
you don't need
TB.
And now, sir, as a fiancé or proposed civil partner under appendix FM family member, or as a returning resident in accordance with appendix returning resident. In the exemption,
oh, okay.
A valid TB test certificate is required if the applicant has been continuously present in the country or countries listed at TB6 for 6 months or more, which include a period of any length within the 6 months before the date of application. In our countries, they are supposed to do the TB test. The list is big, but the only thing is we check is we country fall under the country who are supposed to provide that TB test. Especially Ghana is one of them. Afghanistan, Nigeria.
Discrimination, yeah, but countries are omuni listen. So no, Obi ntimi mfa TB mfiri ho ma.
Sana muka wanyamia.
Where there discrimination we are
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yo, in the answer, I see in the statement of changes to the immigration rules HC 1780, published on the 7th September 2023, the Home Office introduced appendix tuberculosis TB. The change was implemented on 5th of October 2023. At paragraph 7.24 of the explanatory memorandum to the statement of changes to the immigration rules, Omo outlined the reasons for the changes. We are replacing rules A39, B39, and C39 and appendix T with a new appendix tuberculosis, which provides greater clarity and consistency on the TB requirement, and are making associated consequential changes to individual routes where the new appendix TB tuberculosis will apply in place of the current rules. Into the first question is, do I need to be tested for TB before coming to the UK?
Right.
A tuberculosis test is required if a UK visa applicant is coming to the UK for more than 6 months and they have been continuously present in a relevant country or countries for 6 months or more, which includes a period of any length within the 6 months before the date of application. The relevant countries are listed in TB6 of the appendix. In the Ushama, the Omo can say before say ube make an application or ube say ube visa ever UK for more than 6 months no. Baby I will free no. Say what now for more than 6 months I will say we a TB test.
Wow. Lawyer, where the will be question Rana. I think say the statement the other way probably answering that question. Say if you've done it once and you have a certificate, can you use it for a long time or is it every time you have to do it?
Yo, if you done it once,
yeah,
now
and you have the
when
certificate.
you see for 6 months, I expire.
Samum.
So who you soon the 6 months now would be ram or UK wouldn't you?
Lawyer Mpacho Sisubium.
Yo, so we a TB test, you know. Now what the year application?
Yes.
Na application if this and the amawa fabe.
Okay.
Now would the be ram so wouldn't yet TB test in you.
Okay.
Say with the whole clear.
Yeah. Now say I think say
now when you sue within that 6 months now, I share with this already for from.
I think say maybe the whole patch is for instance, would there be room? Maybe what's uncle out. Now or samba. Now or first
maybe okay, we'll continue with
first test no home certificate. And now the bill room. And maybe I was call visit, let's say Ghana, and you are coming back. Do you have to do it again?
Visit now, no. How long did you spend over there?
3 months.
Okay. So you have 3 months, bear in mind, sir, one making sure, sir, UK is your home of residence. In the 3 months now, and you went for a holiday.
Yeah.
In the other note, you've not stayed. Once I may start in mistake, I'll say before application, what stay from your country of origin for more than 6 months, I will say we.
Okay. So in that case, even though the old certificate, TB certificate, but because say I could be outside for more than 6 months, you have to do another one. So
the problem then is, Burma, is your visa still na nwuye.
All right. All right.
That's the question I was share now, Bisa. Say nwuye, you don't need to do the TB test.
Okay.
Now for your application, you need to start all over again.
Oh, okay. So visa no then.
Yes.
Okay.
Because at that point in time, the funny say, residency UKCC.
Okay. All right.
Call holidays be Ghana.
Yeah. Okay.
And I are testing TB test in that.
Okay. Matthias, I think say muda. Yeah. I see. A tip for so a question about me type for Facebook search na me reading a lawyer no amount. It can be about today's topic or any other legal topic you may have. I see. Your lawyer and also.
Yo, and an American, sir, Usha Imrana, or say appendix TB test reads as follows. TB test, a person must provide a valid TB certificate with their application. If paragraph TB applies and they are applying for entry clearance to come to the UK for more than 6 months, except for applications made under Appendix Ukraine or as a fiancé or proposed civil partner under Appendix FM family member or as a returning resident in accordance with Appendix returning resident. I was thinking, saying, I'll be such question. Because the case will be a returning resident, could be abontain for 2 years, although we're indefinite. Okay, whereby no returning, does he have to do a TB test?
Of course, that is an askable question. Lawyer,
that person, according to Omumra, you don't need to do a TB test.
Okay.
All
right.
I don't know how Omoye's side of the Merano, but that's what they're telling you. Because you have something we call returning resident in Inti.
Right.
Yemao UK, under the immigration rules, Nunya settlement, you can't stay for more than 2 years outside UK.
Yeah.
Yes. And on that note, you are returning resident applicant.
Which
means your visa still.
So you're saying that up to 2 years now.
I was still making application for returning resident.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, that we have for that topic. No, I'm not sure what the pros and cons and reasons are. Ebimode Kotina abontain for more than 2 years.
Oh, okay.
It could be school. It could be medical grounds.
Oh, okay.
It could be family issues. Yeah, and most of them, we are returning resident application now. Because of the reasons I'm going to count. For family issues, they've been saying, me mommy and me papa sabe wakabe be me call omo pese omo ye mebusia panyi nti abusia ntanta me na ese me to me bo na me di ne o ma hihye hoye. Yeah.
All right.
So, it are family issues. In the ever is what Tony property were handing as if no account na bibi achina wa Ghana was o man in baby. It's the one and share and answer day.
Yeah.
That's the reason why they made such an application, as a returning resident application, in case you stayed more than 2 years outside.
Okay.
In the end, this or say when might a TB test certificate not be required? Obviously, Ebin is saying a TB test certificate is not required if an applicant is a diplomat accredited to the UK or the applicant is a returning resident. They have not been away for more than 2 years and their leave has not therefore lapsed.
All right.
Inti we are accredited diplomat they were about UK. We yes obey TB test.
Right.
Into the foreign missionaries, they don't do TB test.
Okay. Lawyer, I am for question we na yan twaso. Nana J. Berima. Birthday man. And a birthday boy. I was can lawyer explain, do you have permit resident card again?
It's a good question. Mostly, permit resident card was solely made for EU family members.
Okay.
Yeah, and some are still in the system. Yeah, after the introduction of EU settlement scheme, they are still in the system, which is the old regulation 2016.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of fading out. It's good, sir. What Busa question, sir? Do we still have some in the system? Yeah, we still have some in the system, but it's fading out. It's getting out of the system gradually. Obi wa one thing say yes, I was say EU settlement scheme. Okuta bibi a friend of permanent resident.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
What's the consequence in case it will be the sukuta no?
The consequence is ubeye late application by explaining. And it's not easy. You need to convince them. Yeah.
The entire
and you need to show evidences that you were here before 31st of December 2020.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, let's continue with how long is a TB test certificate valid for?
I think so, lawyer. I okay, 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Okay. Master Kelvin, welcome to the show.
So what happened during the test? Question me, Bana.
Kelvin, one of we serial watcher and a serial caller. Me man shout out.
What happened during a TB test at an approved clinic? It's good, sir, this question are cropping out because enya bebia na I was say okoye TB test. I can't remember some time ago client been I'm sure okoye TB test. When maybe okoye no DJ KB.
Review.
Okoye no kolebu. Then I'm say na kolebu is part of the listed accredited clinics you can. I have to show him the accredited ones are approved by the Home Office.
Hey, now lawyer, Kwalebun Kahon, they don't respect Kwalebu, sir. Anna.
And yes, they don't respect, but what the Home Office, they're a bit funny. They always try to.
And now I'm open laboratory rather than a hospital.
Normally, clinics, most of them, they have a rapport with them. They allow them to say they want you to handle the immigration TB test screening. So,
wow.
And yet, Biana or more allowed to do that. Until Ukoya TB test now, you need to seek the legal advice. And the Unkoya no Biana at the end of the day, Home Office because it's not approved centered clinical. We allow this. It was
Ka obetimi aboka crash wa man in case say
to me abubo eso
because you who's a Kwalebun Kahon enti abusia voice wo de oni akire ho ayesa of sawadwen TB test yes Kwalebu omonye entum
omo ibia ya tuni di TB test in Ghana, tuberculosis testing in Ghana, approved by the government, UK visa and immigration. Until you go sana, it tells you the sort of clinics are with me test, and how to book an appointment, the fee and all what you are supposed to do when you're going for the appointment screening. One, Accra, your friend baby Akai House Clinic. On my address near number 1C Secular Road, Cantonment, Accra. Or more numbers for her, you can call them for appointment. Website or email or more opening times. Bibia or The second one here, IOM Migration Health Assessment Centers. I one number 22, Odo Kwai Street, Airport Residential Area, Accra. And the other one, no, and also no open times need na full in our. The other one, by in Wellness Ghana Limited. Also, I catch you say, or more uncophobia or more access, or more allow them to be part of them. First, we know of the first two pair. Now you one be pair and a 2 or 3 be a account. Wellness or more branch or Accra no musa will be Kumasi. Wellness no Accra the end there 1 Celebrity Street, Sakumono, Accra.
Okay.
And Kumasi the end so number 36, block 2, Henson Road, Asokwa Residential Area. That tells you Kumasi, Accra, Honest. These are the approved
Centers.
Clinics are mobile to me. I TB tester. What the Bayer immigration visa Yebedia to from the Home Office. It is a one quiet was uncle for no they are bet you. There be Home Office be rejected. Normal refusal application. Because the one provided TV tester is one of the mandatory requirements. They have the right to refuse your application.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we have taken note because of Saturday we enable refusal about yeah,
I'm going to refuse and go for there. On that note, no. Coming that down, yeah.
A car because of TB test.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We say the word to the wise is enough. I think the lawyer more than my boy.
Yes.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, they be Juma.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
In the end, share another one. I think most of them I've tried to explain and tell you without TB test, your application will be refused. And a biomosono, share a situation who had that or further leave to remain. Because the TB test, say Uba be right UK more application here from overseas, entry clearance. Because even EU crowd, EUSS, EU family permitter, obey TB test account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Because no, what the baby room, Abenya sitting at Ewo Kroma. Yeah. And the last bit, I may share, and they say, sir, do I require a TB certificate for an application for leave to remain? And what do you think what the answer will be?
Lawyer, sorry, not me will be questioning, but my question may be sorry.
Your question is, do I require a TB certificate for an application for leave to remain? In-country application. You know what country is here?
No.
Good.
No. Wait there. I say me try so. Lawyer, I'm question we nipa no so you honorable. To the honorable honorable was say Eugene was Eugene. See, I'm a permanent resident and my wife and daughter are in Ghana. I would love them to join me, but I don't have a house of my own and we don't have a marriage certificate. Yet, what advice can you give me and what requirements? Hey, Masa, what requirements do we have to meet? And also, can I register my wife to do the English language test before starting the application? Question in the doors, lawyer.
Now, if you are a permanent resident in the UK, first, also a wife, also say when the marriage certificate. Then you have to go and do marriage certificate. Because relationship requirement, you need to prove with marriage certificate. And if you want to know the requirements, we have 4 requirements. Relationship requirement, proving through more marriage certificate. Financial requirement at the moment is 18,600. From 11th of April, a cost road 29,000 per annum. The sponsor, you have to meet it. Accommodation requirement. Also, we need accommodation, and they won't even go for a ban.
Or say they don't have a house of their own.
No, it doesn't mean you have to have a house on your own before you bring your wife. You can rent it.
Baby, I'll tell you, what you are rent. You can provide a rent agreement, as agreement. Evidence of accommodation.
Yeah. Okay. And lastly, Obana has to prove English language unless they were exempt from that, which is over 65 or have a mental disability. So these are the 4 requirements I will say will meet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. English language. Okay, I think say lawyer already Miss Honorable or say Eugene. Lawyer, I think say lawyer or you questions in normal. Thanks for asking a question. Therefore, we have just 5 minutes more. Until the question bar, we have just 5 minutes. All right. Your lawyer, Medasi. Say if you want to be kind of for me, say we have 5 minutes more. Thank you.
Yo, the Medeva can when it says TB test now. Let's consider in Kola less than 11. A year Udu now Akola less than 11. They arrange for physician to assess Akola answer. Because a chest X-ray take it. For health wise, they will allow you to fill a form and go through or any other diseases or anything that will affect the umbabe. And I am here a situation a pregnant woman or TB test. And also, they have to arrange for a physician. No more say a bear affected akolane when the muna na sende. These are the things. Be a corner and then what bookie now we're pregnant woman. No, we say, okay, we need to assess you first before we allow you to take the TB test. You need to allow them to do that. Okay. Because it's part of their assessment and taking you through the TB test. Because any complications, they are going to be held responsible.
Okay.
Till they make sure we are clear before they can take the X-ray.
All right.
Till now, in case bisa happen, menka say I don't menkwa lawyer we say condition determine as a pregnant woman or as a child under 11. TB test, Mr. Ramo, one of the requirements for free overseas air bar for more than 6 months. I was say try say application now be still for more than 6 months. Do the TB test and make sure you've done it at the approved clinic. Otherwise, Home Office can use that one to refuse your application. Yo, DJ KB, me that say.
Lawyer, wait there. You have 2 minutes. Wisemart, other issues summarize my other services I'm providing. Me say Enkrata Sem you're number 1. Apart from Enkrata Sem, no, in a summary, what else do you do?
In a summary, what I can say is we deal with alongside immigration, family as well, employment, Ghanaian customary marriages advice, and maybe a Home Office back us worry if we Ghana the baby refuse you. But what I can say is what has been going on is this kind of parental responsibility at TSC skilled worker, so more dependent children are normally refuse you or mono. Mr. Amo, so once you show near my year, and a year home office agent so any refuse you. Sir, akolani papa ni na brabo home office koji letter free akolani papa so on kase woni na brabo sabi kase mo ye ti free hin no ma sa so about be gina so aka cho say ye refuse you Mr. Amo do be a home office per se no mo de law ni ba ye omo interpretation enye ni nyina na ye correct no na ye lawyers a manson. People here be very, very careful because some create appendix children, which is not create difficulties and problems upon problems. Meaning drop. Since November up to now, while be dependent children biano, they will try and refuse you, all because they will tell you the word you don't have a sole parental responsibility. Yo, Hana Medibesi, EJKB, that's a minute, Yame the chain, or why the chain, the best share, and if that was a certain piano, we say Mona, it to me the legal issues ever on top online radio. TF4 here for Yakramo, Wisemart Solicitors.
Yo,
bye bye.
Yo, Edamasi, Wisemart for my idea. I Sabrina more. The update, legal update, but here for more contact information, is on your screen. Unit 8, the print house, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. London E8 3 Delta Lima. Office number 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. Lawyer Francis, and I didn't do a program, no. The number is on your screen as well, is 07946 772 439. That is 07946 772 439. Or emergency number 24/7 number and also 07931 411 042. That is 07931 411 042. From any of these numbers are Ubenya or more. Abusian for I had a day and age Mediano ABC. This is the JKB Top Online Radio UK. Please, I would want to encourage you to subscribe to our pages, social media pages, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, you can download our free mobile app from our website, toponlinestation.com, or from the Play Store and the App Store. So you can always tune in to us even when we are not live on Facebook and social media. On the app, you can listen to us 24/7. On the app, you can listen to us 24/7. NT Shenanson.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokasemu, ya case a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bouma Saka on Crata, Naswedi don't swa, a yomoko cra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimua Cotonepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one-stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potwakas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For all enquiries, advertisements, or to work with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yacho. It didn't make for certified accountant. And the amount F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement engineer certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you watch company or Chiwakasa, now what the hotel babro, what is the Capudio Babro no Bushian, certified accountants. Say about transfer from the dia, what 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma, our temporary workplaces in Yamon Frano, no one is Capudio Mamma. Media the Amada Kran say, HMRC4 at the Cabra, what me wow, a chem, and yes, as well, what is address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Mehumba mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yume.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending issues, and what have you. Tune in to us 24/7 on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app from the Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. Download the free mobile app and tune in to us 24/7. We stream our programs live on Facebook and YouTube. Just find us on YouTube and Facebook by searching for Top Online Radio UK. We welcome your views, comments, critiques, suggestions, etc. Just get in touch on our station line 079 029 44398. That's 079 029 44398. If you are interested in working with us as a radio presenter, a radio host, or a radio panelist, do get in touch and let's talk. Call us on 079 029 44398. If you want to advertise on our radio, just get in touch and let's talk. 079 029 44398. If you want to sponsor any of our programs, get in touch and let's talk. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK.